Hi everyone, welcome again to another series of VA Knowledge. So in this video, we are going to talk about the 10 tools every virtual assistant needs before starting their first remote job. One of the first questions people ask when starting VA work is, what tools do I actually need? The good news is the most of what you need is free, or very nearly free. I'm going to walk you through 10 tools grouped by category that covered everything a professional VA needs from day one. No paid subscriptions required to get started. Starting with communication, because that's the foundation of everything. Gmail for professional email. Use your first and last name. Keep it clean. Slack for team messaging. Most agencies and startups starting with communication because that's the foundation of everything. Gmail for professional email. Use your first and last name. Keep it clean. Slack for team messaging. Most agencies and startup use it and it's free for basic use. Zoom or Google Meet for video calls. Both are free and your clients will expect you to be comfortable on either. And WhatsApp Business for mobile client communication. Separate from personal WhatsApp, professional setup. For task and project management, Trello is the most intuitive starting point. Visual boards, drag and drop task, free tier covers everything a VA needs. Notion is more powerful and worth learning. It's a notes, tasks, and SOP system all in one, and many clients use it as their central work hub. Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive is non negotiable. If you are not confident in these tools, spend a few hours this week practicing. Clients assume proficiency. For time tracker and delivery, Toggl Track is the cleanest free time toggle available. It generates reports you can share with clients for billing transparency. Loom is one of the most underrated VA tools. Instead of scheduling a video call to explain something complex, you record a short screen share video and send the link. And Canva. Even if you are not a designer, Canva allows any VA to produce professional social graphics presentation or documents without designing training. A few setup principles before your first client. Create all accounts with a professional email address, not a nickname. Test every tool with a real task before your first client interaction. Ask each new client which tools they prefer and match their stack where you can. And keep notifications enabled during your working hours. Missed messages during your stated availability window erode trust quickly. 10 tools. Most of them are free, all of them standard in the industry. Having these ready before you take on your first client is the difference between a smooth start and a rocky one. So keep learning and keep growing, and don't forget to subscribe to Remote V Institute for more videos. See you in the next one.